looks like bro.
No, it doesn't.
Oh, look in the rear view.
Are you guys eating breakfast?
No.
I haven't.
I might too. That looks so fancy. What? Do you always get that?
I think I never come here, but like the one time I did, I got it. Sorry.
See, it didn't work.
Right.
It's really good.
Wait, what is it? Limey?
It's blueberry.
I probably wouldn't have wanted to record it anyway. Oh my.
Yeah, because I don't go.
You have to like go like. Guys. Oh wait, oh crap. Oh! Alright, okay.
That was
Good bite. Okay. It's a sandwich.
oh god.
We should. Wait, Maddie. We should put.
How would you like to save 10% shopping every time you use your card at TJ Maxx?
Who could that be? We're playing sardines for me. I think I'm gonna hide just in this aisle right here. Okay, Maddie,
You were like pretending.
I literally was just standing here like.
Just like.
Yeah. So like. Shh.
Yeah.
Oh. Did you find her? No.
I thought I heard.
Oh, I just saw Kenny. She just acted like I didn't see her.
You were last again. Epic transition.
Oh. Oh.
So hard shopping when you're new in town.
Ew, you're freaks. Bro, we relocated to Maddie's house. We have to be quiet because our mom's on a call.
Where's pull that crowd? We have the original in Crocodile.
Dude, you have a bougie friend. What? She has a bougie. Is that? Those are like the default. Oh. Wait, is that you? Go to the house. Go to the house. Hold her. She overpowered.
Still a personal to my dude.
Maddie, be cool. Stop.
3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Like, is it like
do you move?
print them, or can you like get them on your phone? So.
We just cured it. What does that say?
What?
Doesn't say anything.
Oh, they're flip flops.
Yeah.
I thought that was. This is on this day. What's that?
It's twink. Stop.
These people. No, it's not. Did you? Wait, is that you? Wait, put it back in. Hi, my name is Douglas. Wait, I want to read this. Please add order. Let me. Wait. No. I can't. Wait, stop. Wait, we got it. Good morning.
Yeah, and that. Okay, this has to be the pink one because then we're gonna put some water. Stop. Okay, it's good. That's good. That's good.
Oh, it's alright. Yeah. We all have to take it. Wait, hold on. We all have to cheer. Wheezing. Cheers. Smells good. This one's the first. Oh, what's the aftertaste? Doesn't it taste so good? I like it. For someone to drink the soup at the end.
Why'd you all look at me?
I've never eaten this before.
What do you eat?
I don't know about you, but I'm actually feeling it.
Yeah, me too. My lips are gonna start.
Yeah, no, I actually think it's like spicy. Put more.
Yeah.
Guys, can you please play Roblox so I can get off of work?